at this, guys. Look, I had to break down the unit, take the fan off, take the guard off. Uncle Neffy, he trying to clean it on this side, talking about it's clean, it's ready to go. Look at the dirt caked up on there. Look at that. Look at all of that dirt. Nasty. Look at this, guys. When you clean a unit, this is what you got to get to. You don't go spraying the case and the components and all that. You get to the condenser, to the coil. Right there, baby. That's what you got to clean. Get all up in there. You see all that dirt? That's what you got to get off of that. You want some vents to breathe. Can't be clogged up. You see all of that? Y'all see all of that dirt? Now what you say, I was right or wrong? Huh? I know how to clean it right?
Man, I don't want to be on this thing.
I know how to clean it right, or you do?
You know how to do everything right.
I know. It was clean how you did it?
Yeah, it was clean.
It was clean? So what all that dirt was back there?
I was on the inside.
So you wasn't worrying about cleaning that? Huh?
Give me the whole packet.
I got it now.
I gotta rinse the thing off. So you be complaining about that. You know,
I might have to double check that.
you ain't gonna get this looking new.
Clean the inside, man. You see all that dirt rolling off of there?
That's what I just got you doing.
You gotta stir that.
I'm struck.
If I come behind you and clean it, we ain't do it right.
Next time, do it yourself.
I'm gonna have to, but I'm gonna have to start doing stuff myself. Like you don't take pride in your work.
You just like your poor won't fucking shit. Old ass shit been there for years. Want the shit to look brand new. You ain't gonna look brand new.
So what you say
It
about
ain't gonna look brand new.
So what about that dirt right? All of that dirt that I just got off that you about to
Already
leave on there.
loosen that shit up.
But you were about to leave it on there though.
So, it would've came off.
Fuck that.
It would've came off.
Came off and went well once it's installed.
On the ground. It went on the ground.
This man
Cause you
here
gotta
trip.
have it slanted.
I hear you. All that shit would have just rolled out the unit.
Get your stuff, bro.
All that heavy ass particles would have just rolled out the unit. All that mud. Look at this ground, man. Look at all that dirt. Look at all of that. And they ain't done yet. They gotta be rinsed some more. You gotta rinse them units thoroughly. I like my shit done right. I wanna put your unit down. Get it around your shaft of your motor. Okay, alrighty, right. Alright, once you got that on there like that, go ahead on and just go ahead on and put your casing right on your condenser. Now slide it down, guys. Let's see how that. Slide our fan
You want that chair?
blade right on to our motor.
Drizzling right now.
Right onto our shaft, guys. Alrighty, right. Okay, so we have our fan right here. We're gonna go ahead on and slide it all the way down your shaft. Ready, right. Come here, Uncle Neffy.
Got it? It ain't gonna go nowhere. Way up under there, jam way in that crack.
Like that did it there. Alright. What's that wire?
Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
You have to watch that wire.
Why is in here?
Take it out.
Very good, grasshopper. Put this in here.
Let's turn it on. Let's go. Water shit won't be on.
Oh, we're gonna put that in the cone. That's what we talking about. Slide it over here.
Fuck my concrete up.
It ain't. Slide it, Terry. Slide it in the cone. Concrete already. Just like
What I want to do, I want to make me like a frame. And when I put the frame on
you look like a fucking frame.
I'm gonna make the frame the width of the whole garage door, like 6 inches.
That's what you are, a fucking human frame.
No, for real though. When I was
You
spraying,
think I'm playing?
the last time I was spraying some parts in the garage, the fumes were getting out of there good when I had opened the door.
Yeah.
So I want to make me like a frame and put a filter on it so the
Yeah.
so the fumes won't go on the cars and stuff. It'll be like filter air.
That's right, filter the fume into the air. Hey, hate that smell. Oh man, let's move this thing, man. I can't be fucking around with you all day. It's about to get dark.
We just getting started.
Yeah, all right.
Oh, Vanessa. Y'all think he did on the garage? Y'all like that paint? How that paint look on the garage? The green look good.
What?
That green.
And he sees the same thing every time. Oh, yeah, that's a plenty of paint on it. You gotta put it on there heavy. And he said, but up there, he said, you can put much as you want up there. I said, well, I told him that it ain't gonna get no different. That's the wood grade. Cheap ass gold. See on that shit like that, Terry? You gotta put it on there heavy. You gotta do like Jan Brown, you gotta lay it on there. You let it start raining on us, that bitch gonna sit out there. See, matter of fact, no, your name, telephone, address.
I'm sorry, sir. Can you repeat that?
Name, telephone number, address.
Drive around, sir. I don't understand no
You on YouTube? Uh-huh. YouTube. You just don't know you're on YouTube.
All right.
You don't know?
Yeah, have a good one.
Say that again.
Wave at the camera for me.
Hot damn.
All right, boo.
It's the Doo Doo Brown. Oh no, let me see.